Imagine a world where your office is wherever you choose it to be, a cozy corner of your home, a vibrant cafe by the beach, or even a tranquil mountain cabin. In today's digital age, the concept of remote work has transcended boundaries and revolutionized the way we view employment. In this video, we're going to unveil 5 globally renowned companies that have embraced this transformative trend, offering exciting remote job opportunities that span the entire globe. Whether you're a digital nomad seeking adventure or simply looking to break free from the conventional office grind, these companies are redefining work as we know it. Stay tuned as we uncover the top 5 remote-friendly companies that are changing the game for professionals worldwide. GitLab, a leading tech company, is at the forefront of the remote work revolution. They offer a diverse range of remote job opportunities that cater to professionals worldwide. With a primary focus on software development, GitLab provides positions in engineering, design, product management, marketing, and more. Creating a profile on GitLab's website is a straightforward process. Visit their careers page, explore the available job listings, and select the one that aligns with your skills and career goals. Follow the prompts to upload your resume and cover letter, and you're one step closer to joining their globally distributed team. What makes GitLab particularly enticing is its commitment to transparency and collaboration. The company values results over hours worked, enabling you to work flexibly and asynchronously. They embrace remote work culture with open arms, providing resources and support to ensure remote employees thrive. In terms of earnings, GitLab offers competitive salaries, performance-based bonuses, and stock options. The exact amount you can earn varies depending on your role, experience, and location, but rest assured that GitLab values its remote team members and strives to provide a fair and rewarding compensation package. GitLab isn't just a company, it's a community that fosters innovation and growth, making it an excellent choice for those seeking remote opportunities in the tech industry. Join GitLab, and you'll be part of a globally distributed workforce shaping the future of remote work. Buffer, a pioneer in social media management, is a trailblazer in the world of remote work. They offer a wide array of remote job opportunities for individuals worldwide, including roles in customer support, engineering, marketing, and product development. Creating a profile on Buffer's website is a user-friendly process. Begin by visiting their careers page, where you can browse through their open positions. Select the one that aligns with your skills and interests, and then proceed to fill out your application, which typically includes your resume and a cover letter. Buffer prides itself on its commitment to remote work culture. They believe in results-driven work and provide the necessary tools and support to thrive in a remote environment. Team members can collaborate across different time zones, allowing for flexible schedules and work-life balance. When it comes to compensation, Buffer aims to provide competitive salaries and a range of benefits, such as health insurance, retirement plans, and professional development opportunities. The exact salary varies based on the position, your experience, and location, but Buffer is known for its fair and transparent approach to compensation. Joining Buffer means becoming part of a company that values remote work as more than just a trend, it's a way of life. If you're looking to combine your career with the freedom of remote work, Buffer might be your ideal destination to thrive professionally and personally. Zapier is a remote-first company that has revolutionized the way businesses automate their workflows. They offer a diverse range of remote job opportunities spanning roles in engineering, customer support, marketing, design, and more. Creating a profile on Zapier's website is a straightforward process. Start by visiting their careers page, where you can explore the available job listings. Select a position that aligns with your skills and interests, then proceed to complete the online application, typically requiring your resume and a cover letter. One of the remarkable aspects of working at Zapier is their dedication to remote work. They've crafted a remote culture that values autonomy and flexibility. Zapier believes in results over rigid schedules, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a better work-life balance. In terms of compensation, Zapier offers competitive salaries, benefits including health insurance, a 401k plan, and generous paid time off. While specific earnings depend on factors like your role and experience, Zapier's commitment to fair compensation ensures you're rewarded for your contributions. Joining Zapier means joining a company at the forefront of the remote work movement, empowering individuals to work from anywhere while making a significant impact. If you're looking for remote work opportunities that allow you to harness the power of automation, Zapier might be the perfect fit for your career aspirations. Automattic, the company behind WordPress.com, is a global leader in web publishing and a strong advocate for remote work. They provide a diverse range of remote job opportunities, including roles in engineering, design, customer support, marketing, and content creation. Creating a profile on Automattic's website is a straightforward process. Visit their careers page and explore the available job listings. When you find a position that aligns with your skills and interests, click on it to access the application portal. Typically, you'll need to submit your resume and cover letter to apply. Automattic has long championed remote work, and it's deeply ingrained in their culture. They operate with a distributed workforce, promoting autonomy and flexibility. Team members have the freedom to set their schedules and work from anywhere in the world, making it an ideal choice for digital nomads and remote enthusiasts. In terms of compensation, Automattic offers competitive salaries, equity options, and a wide range of benefits, including health insurance, 401k plans, and generous paid time off. Your potential earnings will depend on factors like your role, experience, and location, but Automattic's commitment to fair compensation ensures you're well rewarded. Joining Automattic means becoming part of a company that powers a significant portion of the internet and values the freedom and flexibility of remote work. If you're passionate about web publishing and desire a remote career with a global impact, Automattic is an excellent choice to explore. TopTal is a renowned global talent marketplace that specializes in connecting businesses with top freelance professionals from various fields. The company offers a wide range of remote job opportunities across sectors such as software development, design, finance, project management, and more. Creating a profile on TopTal's platform is a selective but rewarding process. Start by visiting their website and submitting an application that showcases your skills, experience, and expertise. TopTal's team will review your application, and if you meet their rigorous standards, you'll have the opportunity to join their talent network. TopTal's commitment to remote work is exemplified by its distributed workforce. They value the freedom and flexibility that remote work offers both clients and freelancers. As a TopTal professional, you'll have the autonomy to choose your projects, set your rates, and work from anywhere in the world. In terms of earnings, TopTal offers competitive compensation packages, with freelancers typically earning based on their skills and market demand. Top professionals can command premium rates for their expertise, and TopTal ensures timely payments and transparent financial arrangements. Joining TopTal opens doors to a world of remote freelance opportunities, allowing you to work on exciting projects with clients worldwide while enjoying the flexibility of remote work. If you're a highly skilled professional looking for remote freelance work, TopTal is a platform worth exploring. In today's digital age, remote work has become a global phenomenon, and these 5 companies we've explored are at the forefront of this transformation. From GitLab's commitment to remote transparency to TopTal's freelance opportunities that span the globe, there's a world of possibilities waiting for those who embrace the remote work lifestyle. If you found this information valuable and want to stay updated on more exciting topics like remote work opportunities, company spotlights, and career advice, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community, and together, let's explore the ever-evolving world of work. Subscribe now, and let's continue this journey together.